Hi, welcome back to Ladzaddar Recipes. Today we are making Masale Bhat or Indian spicy rice. It is a very famous and authentic Indian dish. Whether guests are coming or there is a festival or a party, at any occasion, the spicy masala rice or masale bhat comes first into our mind. Spicy rice and a buttermilk makes a great combination. It is so healthy as it has a lot of vegetables included in it. Before we begin our recipe, those who are new to Lazaddar recipe, consider subscribing and press bell icon to get notification of further recipes. Let's move to kitchen and start authentic Indian spicy rice. For this, we need 1 cup basmati rice soaked for 30 minutes, some beans, cauliflower florets, some mutton and potato. We need 1 tomato and 1 big onion finely chopped. Cilantro for garnishing. We need to make ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Some freshly grated coconut, oil, about half a lime juice, salt as per taste, some chili powder, turmeric and asafoetida. We need some coconut, bay leaves, coriander seeds, star anise, some cumin seeds, black pepper, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, some poppy seeds and cashews. I have mentioned all these ingredients in my description box. To start with, we need to roast all our raw spices, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cloves, black pepper and some poppy seeds. We need to saute them for about 1 or 2 minutes on a medium flame. I'm adding some coconut flakes. These raw spices, they are important parts of spicy rice. There is an excellent aroma and a wonderful taste. So as you can see, they are ready and I'm going to put them into blender and make a powder of it. The powder is ready. And now I'm going to make a ginger, chili and garlic paste for my rice. In a pan, I'm taking about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use clarified butter if you want. When the oil is hot, I'm adding some bay leaves and roast them. Some turmeric. I'll add some turmeric and asafoetida. And give it a quick stir. Now it is time to add an onion and saute them until they are soft. Let's add our ginger, garlic and green chili paste. You can adjust the amount of chilies as per your spice level. Now our onion and our garlic paste is done. I'm adding the vegetables, potato, beans and mix them. Adding some mutton. I have frozen mutton. You can use a fresh ones if you have. Some tomatoes. Some cauliflower florets. You can add as many as vegetables as you have and the vegetables that you like carrots. You can add some brinjals. They give some excellent taste. I'll just cover it for a minute. We need to cook these vegetables until they are 10% done. It's time to add our freshly made spice powder. I'm adding some cashews to give it a good mix. Traditionally, we add some peanuts into this rice. I'm adding some chili powder. And I will just cover it for about half a minute. As you can see, my vegetables are nicely coated with the spices and it's time to add the rice. You can add any rice of your choice, like you can add Sona Masuri, you can add kolam. I like basmati, so I'm adding basmati rice. You need to saute about a minute this rice. You can see the beautiful colors of veggies. Now our time to add about 2 cups of water. We need to add double the water as per rice. If you are using 1 cup rice, use 2 cups of water and just let it boil. Now as our rice has come to boil, it's time to add some salt, some lime juice, and now comes the important step. We will add 2 tablespoons of a clarified butter or ghee. The clarified butter helps to not just give a nice flavor, but it helps to reduce the spice level, as we have been using raw spices. So it balances all the spices. So this is very important. Now we will cover it for next 10 to 15 minutes and on medium gas we will cook the rice without disturbing it. Let's cover it. It's been 15 minutes, our rice is cooking. Let's see. Oh, and you can see rice is fully cooked, and as you can see, our vegetables have been cooked nicely. I'm serving it into the bowl. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions regarding recipe, please write me into the comment section. And to know about more such delicious recipes, please consider subscribing Lazzatar Recipe and press bell icon. That's all for today. I will be back with another delightful recipe. Till then, enjoy, eat, share.